We're here at Collegetown Court to see studio apartment 510. That's our door on the right. Let's head on in. We're at the end of the hallway. This is the 5th floor of this 5-floor elevator building. So we are on the top floor. We're entering. The kitchen is on our right. You can see that refrigerator. The freezer is on top. There are cabinets above and below the counter, a pair of drawers. There's the microwave, the sink, and the stove and oven. As we go into the apartment, here across from the kitchen is the closet for the apartment. This one has a larger closet. This unit, number 10, is a mirror image to directly across the hall, the door that we saw on the left as we entered. That is the number 2 style apartment. It's the same layout, just directly across the hall from each other. So you can see it does go a little deeper there in the closet. The number 2 style faces east, and the number 10 style that we are in faces west. We have this layout of apartment, number 10, on floors 3, 4, and 5 here in this 5-floor building. We're on floor 5, so that's the top floor. So there's no upstairs neighbor. The apartments will have the same furnishing items. The styles will definitely vary from unit to unit, but it will be a table and chair, a desk and chair, a dresser, a full-size bed, and a nice tall bookshelf. All right, let's take a look in the bathroom. The other thing I like about this number 10 style apartment, besides the larger closet, it does have a slightly larger bathroom. Let's go on in and take a look. You can see that tub shower with a sliding door, that vanity that does open underneath for more storage. I like the shelf that goes across the toilet and all the way to the end of the wall, so that gives you a little bit more storage space within the bathroom. There is a small cabinet on the wall that opens as well, and the towel rack, so slightly larger bathroom. So that's a great feature of this number 10 or number 2 style apartment. We want to take a look out the window. So remember, we're on the top floor of this building. We are in the heart of Collegetown, so that means there are apartment buildings around us on all sides. But we do still get some great views, especially to our southwest. There are some really nice valley views over that way. I'm gonna zoom so we can take a look. So it's a little hazy today, but there's definitely beautiful valley views out to our southwest. This is the direct west view. So Collegetown Court is located at 208 Dryden Road. Again, we're in the center of our Collegetown neighborhood. From the corner intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road, we're just 1 block to campus, and this is studio apartment 510 here at Collegetown Court.